In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes into our factory and reveal the magic behind filming videos for our channel. A lot of you have been asking how we script and produced fast, educational, and scientific videos. Right now, I am standing in front of a chromakey backdrop. By combining this with the teleprompter we manufacture, I'm able to script all my lines in advance, adding stunning visuals during post-processing. Hi, I'm Sydney with Two-Way Mirrors. Every week, we bring you new lessons based on our experience manufacturing optical mirrors and glass. Hit that subscribe button right now to stay tuned and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. In this video, I'll show you how we script our lines, film the talent, and I'm also leaving you a step-by-step ebook down below, which will help you film fast videos and grow your YouTube channel. After this video, stay tuned. I've compiled a complete playlist of our teleprompter training course available to you at no charge. A teleprompter is a beamsplitter mirror that displays my script in front of a camera. Using a teleprompter allows me to thoroughly research technical subjects in advance and deliver them effortlessly. The magic is in the transparent mirror, which provides tint-free visibility for my camera to record through. An iPad sits just below the glass, projecting the lines and scrolling them automatically with my voice. Because the notes are in front of the camera lens, I can keep direct eye contact with you. Hi, I'm Sydney, videographer, actress, and everything else I want to be when using a teleprompter. I made this guide on teleprompting to help you deliver your message quickly and confidently on camera. I'll leave you all the details down below on simple parts you'll need to make a professional teleprompter using our glass. I'll also leave a link to our free voice-activated software, which scrolls automatically while you talk. Until next time, I'm Sydney with Two-Way Mirrors, and I'll see you in my next video.